Hey everyone, so for the last week or two I've been creating these cute little mini landscape artworks, and to be honest it started because I just got stuck. I got really stuck with what I was going to paint. I was painting florals for so long and I thought I need to do something different. And do you know what? Once I got started with these cute little mini landscapes, I just couldn't stop. It was like a box of Pringles. I popped the top and I kept going. So I'm up to about 30 of them at the moment. But what I wanted to jump on and let you know this morning was that I've put them in these cute little brass frames and they are so sweet. So inside is an original bit of art, and on the back is a QR code which will take you to a mini course so that you can paint 6 of these mini landscapes along with me. And it really doesn't matter if you've done watercolour before or if you're brand new to it. These are so simple to create. There's 6 mini landscapes all mapped out on video for you to grab your supplies, grab a watercolour brush, the basic palette you've got, you don't need that many colours, and paint along with me. And the joy of this is that it started purely painting this one little 3x3, and it blossomed and bloomed basically. So now what's available is a little box of joy, and this little cute box of joy has everything inside for you to purchase and to paint these watercolors with me. So inside you get a mini palette, you get a watercolor brush, you get 8 to 10 sheets of pre-cut quality cold press watercolor paper for you to paint these minis with me. You get a washi tape to tape these minis down, and you get a little bio card and a QR code which will take you to the course. So you're getting all of that, including an original piece of art in this cute little brass frame in your little box of joy, as well as a course to follow along. So they're available for sale now. Just drop me a DM, but they'll be available on the online store for you to purchase. And what a beautiful gift to give somebody at Christmas, so that during that strange time between Christmas and New Year, you know, that gap where nobody's really sure what we should be doing, paint. It's the perfect time to pick up your paints and try out watercolour.